7 weight loss friendly oatmeal cookie recipe you should make often. Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Are you trying to lose weight and seek pleasures that you can enjoy without feeling bad about it? These 7 delicious and nutritious oatmeal cookie recipes that are good for weight loss have been gathered by us. These dishes will give you a healthy serving of fiber, protein, and vital nutrients because they are filled with beneficial ingredients like oats, almonds, and fruits. These oatmeal cookies strike the ideal mix between enjoyment and health. Whether you prefer traditional tastes like chocolate chip or wish to explore novel combinations like cranberry almond, get ready to enjoy these guilt-free treats and make them a regular part of your healthy eating plan. Number 1. Chocolate chip. 110 calories. Chocolate chip oatmeal cookies are a delightful treat that can be enjoyed while on a weight loss journey. These cookies are not only delicious, but also lower in calories compared to traditional chocolate chip cookies. By using wholesome ingredients like oats, whole wheat flour, and dark chocolate chips, these cookies provide a good balance of fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help promote feelings of fullness and regulate blood sugar levels. With their satisfying texture and indulgent chocolate flavor, these cookies are a healthier alternative that allows you to enjoy a sweet treat without derailing your weight loss efforts. Here are the specific ingredients for chocolate chip oatmeal recipes. 1 cup rolled oats, 3/4 cup whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil or unsweetened applesauce, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips. And here is the process for making chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Number 2. Apricot breakfast. 110 calories. Apricot oatmeal cookies are a nutritious and satisfying option for a healthy breakfast or snack. Especially when you're aiming to lose weight, these cookies are made with wholesome ingredients like oats, dried apricots, and natural sweeteners, providing a good balance of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which can help you keep feeling full and support healthy digestion. Dried apricots add natural sweetness and are a good source of antioxidants, vitamin A, and potassium. By enjoying these apricot oatmeal cookies, you can satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your body with nutritious ingredients that support your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for apricot oatmeal cookies. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil or unsweetened applesauce, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup dried apricots chopped. And here is the process for making apricot oatmeal cookies. Number 3. Apple cinnamon 90 calories. Apple cinnamon oatmeal cookies are a flavorful and nutritious choice for those looking to lose weight. These cookies are made with wholesome ingredients like oats, fresh apples, and warm cinnamon, providing a balance of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which helps you keep feeling full and satisfied. Fresh apples add natural sweetness and are rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber. Cinnamon not only enhances the flavor, but also has potential health benefits, such as improving blood sugar control and reducing inflammation. By incorporating these apple cinnamon oatmeal cookies into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious treat while supporting your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for apple cinnamon. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 2 tablespoons melted coconut or unsweetened applesauce, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup grated apple. Here is the process for making apple cinnamon oatmeal cookies. Hey guys, can you do me a big favors and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Pumpkin oat cookies. 100 calories. These cookies combine the goodness of oats with the flavor and benefits of pumpkin. Oats provide a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes feelings of fullness, helping you manage your appetite. Pumpkin is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contributing to a healthy immune system and supporting overall well-being. Additionally, pumpkin adds moisture and natural sweetness to the cookies without the need for excessive sugar or fats. By incorporating these pumpkin oat cookies into your diet, you can enjoy a tasty treat while staying on track with your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for pumpkin oat cookies. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 2 tablespoons melted coconut oil or unsweetened applesauce, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger. For optional, 1/4 cup dark cookies, chips, or chopped nuts. Here is the process for making pumpkin oat cookies. Number 5. Carrot cake. 100 calories. Carrot cake oatmeal cookies are a delightful and healthier alternative to traditional carrot cake. These cookies offer the delicious flavors of carrot cake in a portion-controlled, low-calorie treat. Made with wholesome ingredients like oats, grated carrots, and warm spices, they provide a good source of fiber and essential nutrients. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body and supports eye health and immunity. These cookies are also lower in sugar and fat compared to regular carrot cake, making them a suitable choice for weight loss goals. By enjoying these carrot cake oatmeal cookies, you can satisfy your sweet tooth while still nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Here are the specific ingredients for carrot cake oatmeal cookies. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil melted, 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup grated carrots, 1/4 cup raisins or chopped walnuts. Here is the process for making carrot cake oatmeal cookies. Number 6. Banana nut. 110 calories. Banana nut oatmeal cookies are a delicious and nutritious option for a healthy snack or dessert. These cookies are made with ripe bananas, which adds natural sweetness and moisture, eliminating the need for excessive amounts of sugar or butter. The addition of nuts such as walnuts or almonds provides a source of healthy fats and adds a satisfying crunch to the cookies. Oats are a key ingredients in these cookies, providing fiber, vitamins, and minerals. By choosing this banana nut oatmeal cookies, you can enjoy a guilt-free treat that is low in calories and packed with wholesome ingredients. Here are the ingredients for the banana nut oatmeal cookies. 2 ripe bananas match, 1 cup rolled oats, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts or almonds, 1/4 cup raisins or dried cranberries, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of salt. And here is the process for making banana oatmeal cookies. Number 7. Blueberry oatmeal cookie recipe. 100 calories. Blueberry oatmeal cookies are a delightful and nutritious option for a healthy snack or dessert. These cookies are made with wholesome ingredients like oats and fresh blueberries, providing a good balance of fiber, minerals, and vitamins. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which helps to lower cholesterol and support digestive health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, which help to protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. By choosing these blueberry oatmeal cookies, you can satisfy your sweet cravings while enjoying the benefits of a low-calorie and nutrient-dense treat. Here are the specific ingredients for blueberry oatmeal cookies. 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup maple syrup or honey, 1/4 cup almond butter or peanut butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup fresh or frozen blueberries. Here is the process for making blueberry oatmeal recipe. And that concludes our list of 7 weight loss friendly oatmeal cookie recipes. Do you happen to know any oatmeal cookie recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!